Hello everybody. In this video I want to teach how we can translate sentences or verbal expressions to equations. As an example, let's say we want to translate, we have this sentence, 5 less than a number is 13. 5 less than a number is 13. Find the number. Okay? This is a verbal expression. 5 less than a number is 13. What is the number? Find the number. I explained you in translating sentence to variable expression in another video, and I encourage you to study that video, to watch that video again as well. In translating, it's same as translating expressions, variable expression, but in equation we have the word is. Is means equal sign. Now, first translate this expression, 5 less than a number. Same as translating the expression, when we have an unknown, give it a name. Okay, let me just erase this, find the number. A number, we don't know what is the number, so give it the name. As an example, x. Okay, then 5 less than x. 5 less than x is x minus 5. Yeah, 5 less than x. So this is the translating of this part. Then we are saying the word is. Is mean equal sign. Is 13. Okay. If in the other side instead of 13 we had another expression, then same method for this method, this expression. For the other side, use the same method to translate. Then is means equal sign. In this specific example, there is only a number. So x minus 5 is equal to 13. This is the translation format of this verbal expression. Because the number is asked, find the number. It means we have to solve this equation. For solving the equation, we know how to solve it. Just move this negative 5 to other side. Then x gonna be 13 plus 5, or x is equal 18. Okay? The number is 18. How we can check? 5 less than the number, or 5 less than 18. 5 less than 18 is 13, which is work in the sentence. Let's use another example, a little bit complicated. I'm writing the questions. Sum of two numbers is 12. Sum of two numbers are 12. Okay. The total of 3 times the smaller number. The total of 3 times the smaller number. I write this thing. The total of 3 times of the smaller number and 6 amount to 7 less than the product of, let me just do step by step. The total of 3 times the smaller number and 6 smaller number, and 6 amount to 7 less than amount to 7 less than the product of 4 and the larger number. The product of 4 and larger number. Find the numbers. Okay, so this is the question. Sum of two numbers are 12. First, we don't know what are the two numbers. If give them a name, okay, giving the name make it much more easier. If I assume the first number, one number is x, so what gonna be the other numbers? Because the sum of them are 12, the other number is gonna be 12 minus x, right? If the first one is x, the other one gonna be 12 minus x. If the first one is 5, as an example, the other one 12 minus 5, which is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12. In the next chapters, when we learn working with the two variables expressions, then it's gonna be much more easier. But in this case, just we use this one. One of them is x, the other one is 12 minus x, because some of them are, the sum of these two numbers should be end of 12. X plus 12 minus x is gonna be 12. Now, this is for the first one. The total of 3 times of the smaller number. Let's assume x is the smaller number. Okay, x is the smaller number. Okay, now 3 times of a smaller number and 6. So the total, I'm translating this part, the total of 3 times the smaller number and 6. Okay, 3 times the smaller number is 3x, and total of 3x and 6 is 3x plus 6. Okay, this is the first part, the translating that first one. Amount to, it means is or end up to. Okay, 7 less than the product of 4 and larger number. X was the smaller number, larger number is 12 minus x, and it says 7 less than the product of 4 and larger number. It's gonna be 4 and x 12 minus x, right? This is the product of 4 and larger number, and it says 7 less than 4 times 12 minus 4. So it's gonna be 4, 12 minus 4, 7 less. Okay, 7 less than of 4 times of the larger number. 3 times the smaller number plus 6, total of 3 times the smaller number and 6, end up to or amount to or is 4 times the bigger number, 7 less than 4 times the bigger number. So this is the equation translated of the top one. Now what we should do, just solve this equation, because the question asking find the numbers. Okay, find the numbers, it means solve the equation. Okay, we know how to solve it. 3x plus 6 is for the left side. For the right side, simplify. 4 times 12 is 48. Sorry, this one is 12 minus x, not 4. Okay, 12 minus x. Then 4 times 12 is 48. 4 times negative x is minus 4x minus 7. Now move this minus 4x from right to left, and this plus 3 from left to right. 3x minus 4x, when we are moving a change of plus 4x, is equal 48 minus 7 minus 6. Yeah, plus 6, move to other side, change to minus 6. 3x plus 4x is gonna be 7x. This one gonna be 7x is equal to 48 minus 7 is 41, right? Minus 6 is 35. 7x is equal to 35. Divide both sides by 7. To eliminate this 7, divide both sides by 7. Then these two 7 cancel each other, and 35 by 7 is 5. So x gonna be, x is equal to 5. So x is 5. What is the other number? The other number is 12 minus 5, which is gonna be 7. So 5 and 7 are two numbers. The total of them are 12. 3 times the smaller number, 3 times 5 is 15, and 6 is gonna be 21. 4 times the smaller number is 28. 7 less is 21. Left side and right side gonna be equal. Okay, so this is how we can translate verbal expression to the verbal equations or verbal sentence or sentence to the equation and solve them. Okay. I hope this video was useful. It will be useful for you. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.